What you learn today, you can improve all your tomorrow. Hi, I'm Karishma Sangvi, wondering as to how I can actually invest in stock market. By looking over on internet for many days, I came across this wonderful concept or slash method about GAN method. Uh, I would like to first talk about the person who actually introduced me to this method, Mr. Neeraj M. Suratwala. He's got an in-depth knowledge about this particular method and has professional expertise about it. And he has also mentored a lot of upcoming investors. He is based out of Surat, studied from Narsi Munji, Mumbai, has 20 plus years of experience in this particular field. So today, we have with us a very young investor who has been trained under Neeraj's guidance. May I please call upon Piyush?
Yeah,
Hi, how are you?
yeah, I'm good. How are you?
Great. What's happening?
Yeah, so I've been trading in the market and it's going like pretty well.
Lovely. I hope everybody's doing great at your place. Everybody's safe.
Yes.
Okay. All right, Piyush. So let's just start with the process.
Yeah.
Um, First, I would request you to please talk about yourself, your profession, about where are you from, about yourself, basically.
Uh, okay, so my name is Piyush and I've been doing my engineering. I completed my engineering this year itself. Okay, and I started my trading when I started my engineering. Just just before a week, while I was leaving for my engineers in Bangalore, I came across few papers uh, related to my dad's trading account. So that thing gave me an interest because my dad had lost a huge sum of money. So at that point of time, I got an idea if my dad has lost money, then on the other side, there would be someone who has made that money. So this thing excited me. Yeah, if this amount of money can be made in the market, then yeah, this is something which can be good in a long term.
Lovely. It's so great to see young investors enrolling in. It's amazing. And obviously, this is a best source of income for a lot of people. So I think it's a great way to start something so wonderful. So, Piyush, I would like to ask you, how did you encounter about Neeraj M. Suratwana? How did you got to know about him, basically?
Okay, so like when I first got to know about the GAN methods and all, so in starting it was very hard to find someone who's been teaching this thing and trusting that person. So the way I started my journey is like we just searched on YouTube. Okay, there are like n number of people telling about all those things, but then we understood few important key points, keywords, which basically helped us to find people who are actually doing this and making money or consistent money out of it. Then we like try to find those things from Twitter, Telegram, Instagram, and like many other sources. And on Twitter, when I was just searching hashtag GAN, that's when we found out Neeraj. Yeah.
So I think it's isn't it wonderful to find such things on your doorstep? At this, since we are into this era, it's become so
Yeah.
easy for us. So great that.
Yeah, like the best part about Twitter is like if you have even few key points, you can just find people who are telling and giving knowledge about that thing.
Absolutely. So, but why there is a need to find such accounts? Basically, you said, okay, you wanted to invest. I agree to that point. But why is there need to find such kind of account about gain method? Why?
Okay, so there are like if you are aware that 99% of the people lose their money in trading. Okay, this is one very common thing, right? And most people follow price action. Okay, so like there was a time few months back when I made a loss. Okay, at that time I was a bit confused if everyone is following price action. Okay, then how come people are still losing money in the market?
Right.
Then there might be something which is beyond price action. That's when I started exploring different new things, and that's how I came to know about GAN.
But don't you think there's a lot of noise happening about technical analysis, fundamental analysis? And when you actually sort of find out on YouTube or internet or wherever, your first instinct is let me find about the fundamentals of tech and technical analysis of a particular company. Then why GAN?
So the thing is, like, if you want to invest for a long term, you can definitely go for fundamentals. Okay, if you want to invest for like few months, then you can watch out for technical analysis. But if you want to just make your career into this, then I would say you need to learn GAN, because I spoke to almost like 50 people who have like started or did GAN, and one common thing which I heard from everyone, it was like, you need to work too much to understand and to learn this thing. So what I feel, like, fundamental analysis is easy, technical analysis can also be easy, but learning GAN, exploring and decoding GAN is what it makes difficult. So people generally don't look for working for hours. Like, I would say, like, people don't invest their time in learning.
Yeah.
Okay. If I would say, like, if I say I've been putting on almost like 6 to 8 hours daily on GAN, reading books related to GAN, watching YouTube videos earlier. But it's not that easy to decode GAN books.
And thanks to Neeraj that he's actually, given you everything literally
Yes, exactly.
easily to you.
Yeah.
All right. So, but Piyush, what was the most noticeable thing you found on his Twitter account that you really wanted to follow him? Like we keep seeing on Instagram or any other social media, there's always something very striking about so particular account. So, what is so striking about his account?
Okay, so I'll just tell about a recent incidents which happened. Actually, I was in a trade. Okay, I had that long position in trade. Okay, and according to the price action, it was a breakout. Okay, and like while I was checking Neeraj sir's account, it gave us Neeraj sir basically gave a sell signal on that trade, and I was very curious to know what will happen, because according to the technical analysis, it was a good breakout, and I was expecting a good upside momentum. But in just a span of 3 days, the stock fell, and I was like, this thing actually stuck in my mind. Yeah, I
Okay.
was following price action. It was a technical breakout, proper breakout. Then how come this thing still fell? Then I just switched on to, like, I just checked Neeraj sir's account again, and then I started back testing all the tweets done by Neeraj sir.
So you actually went on to his predictions about the
Yeah.
past trade and everything. Lovely,
Yes.
lovely. What is so special about this method that you really wanted to learn from him? As you mentioned that, if you want to make a career out of it, maybe GAN method is perfect. But in starting, when you are actually learning all this, you don't think about making career. So what is so special about this method?
Okay, so what happens, I'll just tell about the basic psychology. So when a stock is at the bottom level, okay, no one thinks of buying that stock.
Yeah.
Okay, and
It's
for
going
example, if
to
a
go
stock
down.
is at bottom, yeah, if it is going down,
Yeah.
yeah, no one thinks about buying that. Everyone thinks about, yeah, we'll sell. But
Correct.
what happens, like, when I've started following GAN, I can, like, not 100%, but yeah, up to 85%, I can pick stocks at the bottom level.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's basically, it will help you to understand till, like, which level the stock can go. Okay, and then the stock has, like, uh, most of the stocks have a, what do you call, I would say, vibration. Okay, psychology, right? So all the stocks have a psychology. So like, GAN helped me to understand the psychology behind all the stocks. Yeah.
Basically, Neeraj helped you to understand the psychology
Yes,
behind
exactly.
it. Lovely,
Yes.
lovely. But Fine, fair enough. But there are so many people who are doing Zen method, making understand. But why have you chosen Neeraj as your tutor? What is so special about him that you wanted to learn from him, with him?
Okay, so actually, I've like to all the people who have been teaching GAN. Okay, so everyone were focusing on like few common topics. Okay, so just imagine there are like few 4 or 5 things which are there in GAN. So I've seen like everyone was teaching the same thing. Okay, and there are few people who are even charging 35 lakhs, 40 lakhs, $10 billion also. This is $10 million.
Hmm.
So I was amazed ki, like in India, people won't pay you $10 million for anything,
True.
right? So like everywhere the course content was same, most of the places. But when I asked Neeraj sir about his course and his membership, so what I found that it was like completely different from what I've been seeing in the market.
Okay, so but what is his trait that you really liked about? Okay, his course was different, but you must have spoken to him primarily when you were actually trying to find out the courses. So, what was that one trait you really felt like, no, this person should be my mentor?
Okay, so I'll tell about my personal experience. So on 16th Feb, I was holding 15,400 call option. Okay, it was basically a long position, and at like I saw Sir Sweet, and basically Sir called out that top.
Okay.
So when I was holding all those stocks and like adding long position, Sir like told that it is a top, and that's where you could have started shorting the market, and I was still in long position.
Oh, so then what did you do about it?
So I booked that position in my law. I booked that position in loss,
The loss.
and then like I started observing Neeraj sir's trade and everything. Yeah.
Oh dear. Okay. As we already spoke about in today's era, we say 21st century, everything is digital, in this whole digital world, uh, getting all these kind of material about any sort of thing on YouTube or Google or any print media sort of is very, very easy to get in. But again, you again went back to a tutor, you wanted to learn from a tutor. Why is that so important?
Okay, so I'll just say one thing. It is easy to find GAN materials online. Okay, but it's hard to understand how they actually work. Okay, so it's just like a car. Okay, if I just hand over the car keys to you, but there's no one who can teach you how to like drive the car, so that car is useless for you, right?
True. You
I,
should
I
have a
even
good
have a
tutor for
book.
that.
I have this book, Truth of the Stock Tip. I ordered it.
Okay.
Like it took me almost like a month to like read that book. I was trying to understand that book, but what I found that I didn't found any good like information in that book. Okay, when I read it on my own, because like for everyone it's just a normal book, but decoding that book is what makes it different,
And
right? So
decoding
GAN
about,
materials are everywhere,
yeah, and decoding
but
about
you have to decode it.
how you teach your student is the most important thing. Decoding is
Yes,
easy that you
exactly.
understand for yourself, but teaching to
Yes,
so many people, I think it's a great job what he's done. Amazing.
yes.
Um, if I have to say, can you? How was your experience of learning this whole method with him? Like from the day one to day last, and still, I'm sure you're going on and you all are talking about trades and all every single day. I'm very sure about it. But how is your whole journey with him?
Okay, so far my journey is going like pretty well. So from past 4 days, I've been like uh, the watch list which I make every night. Okay, so from that watch list, I've been like getting top gainers in Nifty.
Okay.
Okay, so what I'm spotting, the watch list which I'm preparing one day before, like mostly I'm getting a top gainer from that list or from that list itself. So so far the journey is going pretty well. Yeah.
Yeah, but then you finished your course, everything. But are you still in constant touch with him and trying to understand more and more? And How is your experience with the whole process of a teacher and a student relationship? Is basically is my question to you.
Okay, so Neeraj sir is like very helpful. Even if I have a small doubt, he just calls me up. If I just ask doubt on WhatsApp, he'll just call me up and he'll like ask me, what's your doubt? Where are you facing your problem? Okay, and so what can we do about this? And like if he has discovered something more than that, he'll even teach that. So it's not like that you have a course of like X month and after that ends, like everything is over. No. So whenever sir gets to know about something new, he'll definitely share it with everyone.
Isn't it so nice that you don't keep any information to yourself as a mentor and just give it to all your students?
Yes, and that knowledge keeps on growing.
Absolutely, absolutely. Piyush, thank you very, very much. Thank you for taking out time. And everybody, please check out the Twitter account. Uh, Piyush, for you, happy trading. Have lots of fun trading, and it's pleasure talking to you. Thank you.
Yeah, same here. Thank you.
Bye.